Hello everyone, I am back with another Coach unboxing, and this time I got this a few months ago, and yeah, I just got a chance to film it. So anyway, I am trying to build, let me show you first. So this is, wow, it's so pretty. So this is a Coach TABBY chain in a size 19. So I think, I'm not really sure, I think they called this one a wristlet bag as far as I remember. I'm not 100% sure because I know for the fact that this one came in with a wrist strap while I was at the store. And this is made up of this beautiful, lovely, soft Napa leather. Wow, this is very, very soft. And obviously it is quilted. The quilting is very nice. And it has a gold hardware. The buckle right here. Gold brass hardware. And yeah, it looks very luxurious and it's very soft. It feels like pillowy. So let me open this. So this one has this snap closure. It's not magnetic. Yeah, it is a snap closure. And then it opens like this. And yeah, this one's literally new. So this, I believe this one is the chain strap, which is in gold hardware. Let me show you. Yeah. So this is the chain strap. So this allows you to wear it as a crossbody. And then, where's the, oh yeah, the wrist strap is right here. Right here. So you could just attach this in one corner. Like that, and it's really cute, and this actually fits my Pro Max phone, and as soon as I put it in, okay, I am sold. It is so cute, it is compact, and I think you could fit a lot of things in here. So I just put my phone right at the back, and then some of my essentials like keys, some lipstick and other stuff. So this is lined with a jacquard fabric right here. It has this contrasting color. I'm not really sure if it looks good with black, or probably with the price that I paid for this, they should have lined it with leather. So this one has the contrasting color right here. And then the flap is actually lined with leather. And then that's pretty much what's in here. And it has a 2-card slot. And yeah, it is pretty compact. It is perfect for an evening bag, an evening clutch. And yeah, if you just want to be minimalist, I think this is perfect. It is very soft. I love the feel to it, and it has the C logo if you don't mind having those C logo. And then this is what it looks at the back. It also has a slip pocket right here at the back. I'm not really 100% sure if my Pro Max phone would fit in here. I think it would be perfect. So this is also lined with a jacquard material as well right here. And we also have the hang tag. It's tiny because this is a small bag, and it says right here TABBY 19. And I think I paid around $325 in this, if I'm not mistaken. So this one came in with I only saw black and the chalk. So the black actually came in with the silver hardware and gold, and the chalk, I think the chalk has gold hardware. So if they come up with a color maple, that would be perfect. I think the black and the gold hardware complements perfectly with the bag. And yeah, I was debating whether I wanted to get the white, but then again, okay, white is really hard to maintain, which I always baby my bag regardless of its color, and white is really hard to maintain. But anyway, the chalk color is actually gorgeous, and yeah, I decided to get this, and I think it is lovely. It is gorgeous. There's just some has a resemblance of a Chanel in it, especially right here at the bottom. So anyway, this is another coach. Gosh, I have few more. Probably I needed to film at least more than 10. I don't know what's going on with me. I just buy. I wanted to rebuild my coach collection, and I was thinking of just getting one of each collection just to have at least one. And right now, I probably have like at least 3 or 4 TABBY in my collection, or probably more. But I know this is my latest purchase. Yeah, from TABBY, from the TABBY family. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.